DCP Player free. Get it now from digital.net.au.
James, did you have a question?
Yep. I was talking to Deluxe and Technical here, and you talk about how you put some, the new DCPs using a new feature out there, and it'll go out there and it'll hit the world, and it'll be incompatible with some section of the world, and then you will have to jump through hoops to make it work. I would like to understand why the pressure isn't going the other way. Upgrade your systems. Why? What's going on there?
It's time to market. Honestly, we can cut new versions and ship them around the world overnight, and it takes months and months to roll out software and test it in the theater. So
if you keep doing that, you are taking away the motivation for them to upgrade.
Enable it. 100% agree.
Absolutely. By doing this, we're actually reinforcing bad design, bad behavior on manufacturers.
100%.
And there's no compelling reason for them to fix it, because they know that we will adopt to whatever products they put out. And it's very frustrating. I mean, the digital cinema mastering and distribution, they're at the bottom of the food chain.
Yeah, this brings me to another question. Is that, well, at the end of the day, this is the studios and the pressure, because they want to make sure no dark screens. But it's within the studio's interest for the upgrades to happen as well. So shouldn't there be some sort of planned design where we do put planned product out there that we know is going to break? We've got plenty of time, like put some trailers out there that I will put this trailer out there 2 weeks early. It'll break all these systems. We know we have to put it out 2 weeks later in a working format, but for that 2 weeks, we're going to piss off all these cinemas and remind them to upgrade.
The problem is the impact it has on all the studios who didn't want to participate in that test.
Right, because it's part of a playlist.
And we do as an industry, I think, we're moving more and more towards distributing test materials, I think. But it is a big problem. We've even had some studios come to the table and say, we want to push this, but after discussions with them about, it may not just impact your title, it starts to get very real.